Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see exercise 3.2 from chapter number 3, data handling. So dear student, hope you people understood about the exercise 3.1, and inside exercise 3.1 of chapter number 3, data handling, we had studied about range. Then one more thing we had studied in that is mean, isn't it? Range is what? Highest value will be subtracted with the lowest, or highest observation will be subtracted with the lowest observation. What is mean? Mean is sum of all the observation divided by the total number of observation. That is mean. Now here in this video we are going to see exercise 3.2, question number 1 to 5. It's a very small exercise, soon it will be completed. So what is given here? The score in mathematics test out of 25. You people are also having that post midterm and pre-midterm, isn't it, of 20 marks, 25 marks, like that you are having. So in the same way, a school is going to conduct a exam or a class test out of 25 marks, and the students got the following marks. Like some student got 90 marks, other got 25 marks, 23 marks, 20 marks, 9 marks, and goes on up to 20. Okay, then with the help of this particular data, we have to find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? That means with the help of this values or the data, we have to find out the mode and the median. So in the exercise 3.1 we had already found out the mean value. Now we are going to find the mode and median. So dear student, here what is mode is? Mode is highest observation, or we can say that highest repetition. The number which is occurs many times more than the other numbers is a mode. So for that what we have to do is we have to arrange the particular data in ascending or descending order. Similarly, in order to find the value of median. Okay, so for the first step, what we have to do? We have to arrange the data either in the ascending order or in the descending order. Okay, then after arranging the data in the ascending and descending order, we are having two particular method. First method, we can, after arranging the data in the ascending order like 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, the middle one we have to find out. So this one is the median. Always you have to arrange the data in the ascending or descending order. Then you have to, starting from the right hand side, you have to end as you have to particular round the center one, that is the median. Okay, from left hand side and from the right hand side, the number which is coming at the center, that is a median. This is the first method. Second method also I told you while explaining you the definition of median, that you have to count the number of data like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 15, isn't it? So here n value we are getting as 15. So n is, whether it is an odd or even, it is an odd. If it is an odd, then median formula will be n plus 1 by 2 th term. Okay, now n plus 1, that is 15 by plus 1 upon 2 th term. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8th term. Now what you have to do with 8th term? 8th term means whatever the data you had arranged in the ascending or the descending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The 8th position data will be the median of this question. Understood? Have you understood? If any answer n value is coming even, then the formula will be changed. The formula will be n plus 1 by 2 th plus n by 2 th upon 2 then term. Generally this formula, median formula method, is going to be used in the higher classes. Okay, but for your convenient you can use any of the method, either to find the central one. After arranging the data you can find the central term, or you can use the formula method. Okay, both the answer is coming same. So depends on you student which method you are going to use. Whichever method you feel easy, that method you can do it. Okay. Now question number 2. In question number 2 also what is said? You have to find the mean, mod and median. The three things you have to find over here. The runs scored in a cricket team and the number of players are given 11. Each player is going to score this 6 runs, 15 runs, 120 runs, like that the data is given. So with the help of this data you have to find mean, median and mode. Okay, while doing the question I will explain you detail. Now in the third question also 15 students are there and their weight is being given. You have to find the mod and median you have to find, and you have to say that they are more than one mod. Is there any more than one mod? That means a number repeating, highest repeating of a number or highest occurrence of a number is said to be a mod, isn't it? So any one mod generally we are going to see in the data, but sometime what happens, any number, suppose we are going to consider any data 43 might be occurs 4 times, and then 45 again it occurs 4 times, so there is 2 data. Okay, rest other is not appearing more than that. Now next fourth question we are having, find the mode and median of the data. Here also we have to find the mode and median. Now question number 5 is true and false, so we are going to see that true false. Now here we are having the solution. So first thing, as I told you, that we have to arrange the data in order to find the mean, or in order to find the mode and median. Okay, so here is the data which is given in the question is arranged according to the ascending order. Generally we are arranging the data in the ascending order, isn't it? So here all the data are arranged in ascending order, like 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20 repeated how many times? 4 times 20 comes. Any other repeated? Any other number repeated? Then next number repeated is 25 and 25. So here you can see in this data, one of the number, that is 20, is repeated how many times? 4 times. The number 20 is repeated 4 times and the number 25 is repeated 2 times. So which is the maximum occurrence or repetition of a number? That is 20 itself. जो 20 है वो कितने बार रिपीट हुआ है? 4 बार रिपीट हुए हैं. So that is only the mode. As 25 is repeated only 2 times, so that is not a mode. Okay, so what is the answer for the mode is 20. Arranging the given data in ascending order, and after arranging the data in the ascending or descending order, we have to see the number which is repeated maximum number of times. So mode is the observation occurs the highest number of times, so therefore 20 is the answer for a mode. Okay, now for median, as I told you, for median we have to arrange the data in the ascending order, that we had already did. Now what we have to do? We have to find the middle term. Middle term is which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many 10 are there? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 are there. That means 7, 7. So I will show you how to do that once again. So these are 4 numbers. From here it is again 4 numbers from left and right side. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 2 numbers from the left hand side, then again 2 numbers from the right hand side, then again 1 number from the right hand side, again 1 number from the right hand side. That means you have to find the middle number. What is the middle number? Is that 20, isn't it? So median is the middle observation, that is 20. जो सेंटर में होगा, दोनों साइड बराबर नंबर्स होने चाहिए, equal number should be there. The center number will be median. This is the first method. Okay, if you are going to find the second method, Second method, how many total observation is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. How many there? N is equals to 15. So 15 is a odd or even number, it is an odd number. So what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2 th term. So 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 divided by 2 is 16 divided by 2 is 8th. So what is the 8th term? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8th term is 20, isn't it? So 8th term is 20, so the answer will be 20. Understood? So dear student, I am not compelling you that you have to use the formula method. आपको जो दो मेथड मैंने मीडियन फाइंड करने का बताया है, दोनों में से जो मेथड आपको इजी लग रहा है वो मेथड आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ सेकेंड, अरेंजिंग द गिवन डेटा इन द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. फर्स्ट, since in the question number 2 again it is said that to find mean, mode and median, all the three things we have to find over here. So first what we have, first our duty is to find the mean. Okay, so for that we are going to arrange the data in the ascending order. So data is being arranged in the ascending order: 6 8 10 10 15 15 15. 15 is repeated 3 times. 508 850 80 100 then 120. So in this way you are going to arrange the data. So what is mean is sum of all observation upon total number of observations. So all the data 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 will be added up to 120. Then after addition, how many correct data are there? How many number of total number of observation is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So that the data will be divided by 11. Now divide it, how much you will get? 33 we are going to take 3 times, then we are going to take 99 comes, so that will be 9 times in the table of 11. So what is the answer coming for mean is, everybody know na how to divide. Now you people are in the 8th class, you can divide it. Okay, so mean value we are got as 39. Now what is mod is highest repetition, as I told you. So look the number here, 10 is repeated how many times? 2 times, isn't it? And 15 is repeated how many times? 3 times. So among this, which is highest occurrence? 15 is occurrence. So what is mod we are having over here? Mean we are having as 39, mode we are having as 15. Clear? Now comes the median. Median, as I told, arrange the data in the ascending order, then find the middle terms. So this is the 4 numbers from the left hand side, and from the right side again 4 numbers. So 5 numbers, so the middle number is 15. So median is 15 over here. Okay, if you want to use the formula method, if you want to use according to the first method, directly we will choose the 5 numbers from the left hand side and 5 numbers from the right hand side. So the median will be become 15, the center one, isn't it? This is the first method. Second method, what it says, that formula method. For that, what is the total numbers we are having? Total number of terms are 11, isn't it? 11 is an even or odd? It is an odd number. So odd numbers are n plus 1 by 2 th. So that will become 12 2 th term. So it will become 6th term. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6th term. इस पूरे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर अरेंजमेंट में 6th वाला टर्म कौन सा है? ये 15 है. सो द मीडियन इज 15. So now don't get confused, student, that which method you will going to note in your copy. Again and again I am saying that whichever method you feel easy, that method you have to do in your copy, as well as that method you are going to write in the exam. Okay. So here mean value we had got as 39, mode and median value is same, that is 15. So know the mean and median as well as the mode values, all the 3 values are not same over there, that's why here it is written no. Now in the question number 3rd, it is asked to find the mode and median again. So first duty is to arrange the data in the ascending order. After arranging, look at the data which one is repeated the most time, that is 38. So mode will be 38. The highest repetition of a number or observation or occurrence of a number is 38, so that will be the mode. And in the median, what is the center number we are having in a median? So 1 2 4 numbers, then again 2 numbers we will do. So here we can see that 40 is the center number. So median middle observation according to the first method, 40 is the answer. Yes, there are two mode. Why it is two mode? Why it is being said it is two mode? Because 38 repeated 3 times and 43 is also repeated 3 times. That's why it is said that yes, there are two modes, that is 38 and 43. There is two mode is being given. Okay, both the numbers is repeated 3 times, that's why. Now last question of the exercise, not last question, second last question of the exercise 3.2, chapter number 3, data handling. Arrange the data in the ascending order. After arranging the data in the ascending order, mode highest repetition of a number, 12 2 times, 13 2 times, 14 3 times. So mode will be 14. Then the center one, first method 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So 14 is the median. So here we had found the mode as 14 and median is also the 14. So both mode and median value is same. Now question number 5th, answer is given here on the screen. First true, false, true, false. So this answer you have to read the question and write the answer. So dear student, don't get confused while doing the solution for median. Okay, whichever I had told you the two method, among the two method, whichever method you feel easy, that method you have to write in your copy and that method only you have to study. Clear everyone? So for today, thank you everyone. Now our exercise 3.2 is over. Tomorrow we are going to do the exercise 3.3. So for today, thank you everyone.